irakari y'abantu ebiro bishatu ukwezi no kuri 10 umwaka ni 2024 bafutangira umwana witwa yona yori tumanyango nimero miji mutahingaro kamasingo byarwara bigenda kubi you try again tomorrow ugeza aho ndizoba kuri yaka karega byanje banyita Paul about the political side kind of course igiye tugobe program Sky TV irakari y'abantu direct umuji yawo muto washyikire live and clear nibingi ku munsi ngo kuntanye maganda kunga twabajya ngo tukanga aho twabasa nibingi byo munsi nibingi polisi sanction zakishejera mazina kanga igona batakija ko batomwa Amerika tekmara ujya gutarwata nibene mamwe n'igendura cyangwa ikirindiro kujya ngo gutarwata umuntu bamenya mbana namubya atukujya mutazambereka n'ubujya ngo yutu y'icyo kwende kunkara aho kwenda fumisa zayo ina bakomera zo for business yamereka ati kujya gutarwata ni mpamvu y'icyo kuferwa ni mpamvu y'icyo kuferwa so nabo kibiri byaho wera good ubwo mo izova turu pan kaptos twagera ngo umuntu umeka tumukwate kireke tajya wanga bana tutabantu bana kanga ta muntu ugu ekireki tireni twabuya mu twatuyenda mu kimwe and from the management of Sky TV twakira ngo era batatakuri mwizo twabareba we give them time to twaganira nabo bamweta Professor Arthur Beino mu cyariza ngiye director w'ibintu bingi munonga batitsa kurunda abo bike birangaratereze director Accord and ayum green economy bingiza kumfuru gibere byona you say na presenting je munongo mu audience stars zimana zimwe ubwo mushishagirize ibintu bingi munonga nyikiza ngo muri bibirabire mu bintu shoot byayanga but this man has been on top of the game amazima garango kwa abantu abagezo kugira itafari batansi yabo Professor Beino mu chance try kukira munonga ukureba ngo buri sector yone kwetenga iyi voice ekirkwira neutral egamba Uganda yo haro tugamba karazi buru ready what yebitu byutaho konka ari Uganda shimikwa negambura karazi ngeze mu kumanyeze bendera ntakubari nicyo shonga abo mutizire katugamba Uganda haturigikana mu yebyano wa mukwata no wa muri kora and Professor Beino mugisha no muntu ukike Professor twashimira kutungasho
webarisebo kunyakira musibireje bagenzi betu abaturukirize kandi abarukutureba nashemerwa kuzashwa eji tinkabire Professor kongandi doctor onka wenda kubumpereza ningira mbukire yes konka nashemerwa kujashwa eji kubaganiraho nimwe abantu bamukamamwe kandi nashemerwa kuranga ukunda mukama kandi nanye ndi umurokore the executive director wa CODE Advocates Coalition for Development and Environment to think tank tukora research to yamba government on policy making and policy implementation to government yonka kuya Eastern and Southern African sub-region. So CODE is a regional think tank kandi ombwiro bundi ndi senior lecturer Uganda Christian University aho kushomesa politics.
Thank you. Hata ukufumesa politics tsakuza ngoba abukuba to be honest tukuza kuri ko kargata kamera politics
it's okay then
uzafutsasira ka Sky TV tukuza kuruga kongana ni ndawu fitandikire kuri yo green economy umuntu ya Sky TV na kandi ndakwitegereza wagambe green economy no mucyeke
hati green economy basically ekitukumanyisa hari economies nyingi hari blue economy hari green economy hari na brown economy basically concentrating brown na green economy hati brown economy neji economy yitu etari sustainable ni economy aho rukushanga yes turiyo tukomaguza kutunga konko kutunga kwitu ntushisha ebintu byakubize kutubasa especially ibintu byo bahangwa mbwe n'umuntu nanda kutunga azanko mugera atimba mu mushenyi gona umugera gwita gufagurgaho hatoshanga umugera ugabe ngo stabilizing the environment no gurete ngo hereza abantu amizi ibirune biri ubuturaho nkorwizo rwitorturaho beninde ya president na ruhandikaho bena rugambaho umugero no gwira bazuma ente nungize mpogo zikaziturana ziryaho go mugera n'ebinyansi byemburara mbwe natwo kuza kugureba umugero kurugabo hejuru nugurabo mu district 13 guteko nabwo no gutomo Victoria hatugura degraded umugero gubemba ko saka nukwambuka hati nanka umwana w'imyaka 3 nawe ntabwo urukaza hari yabuseri abana abashomira high school abantu bakuru nka professor munani wanje bazeyo bakabati no rwizo bakarwita abana bambara high school bazayo kuzahapa rukarba dangerous konka mwe no stabilizing byo buhangwa mwe hati nureba ati kandi tungukire hati mbara y'abasite kuyabasite actually mbagera ngo y'inabantu nk'emtwaro 5 nebiri mumu kuchira umukashishi umwazi abantu bagarikayo so hatisha harwa kusibamo mbwe nanka urwo rwizi lifeline yambarara nana ahantona hatukuriye ryo ndwo mucanda ndwo maruhwaho wabo ryo mu hotel zo mwegura tapori barya tapu yakushuke byondo babura mizi abukwa mizaga nanka ngasapurayingwa nkai urwizi aiwa araho kuzoka shanga nanka ba national water and sewerage pipes ziri kuriya yigura miziga kuriya so pe byakineka kwate so point ndiyo ni ngamba konkamwe no abantu bari abahinji mbenda kwinga na umurwizi river bank neyeza abo bamata itaka ryabo rya ruvio ndiyeza mushenyi abantu mbenda kombeka there is actually sand deficit in the world konko mugero gukwaguфutaza ukagufutaza nubwo aho nari gutobera hatorebe consequences so twende mushenyi twenda kombeka stage ne yombekera kimwe hati nangwa nanyi construction site abantu babasaka excited barebe ngejo ni development konka kora temi ukateme emitoka iyo buhanguka jimara ho ebisharo kabimara ho rwizi nkorwo karumara ho ukango wide developing then bikaho then consequences ukazireba hato kuyetinga negative development hati negative development for example hato noja kushanga ngo tumwine mizi hata mizi tuyontuzagiha karabwe rather tsagiha kagera ntari munonga so but we are going to evacuate water kugiha kagera bwareta ambara agumize mgaze na cyuruhura kandi amizi gakagera nagarira ati ngaba contaminated ukwe rugwagariba na mizi gebyondo so gaza very expensive kuga purifying kugasi ya levejo so distance niningwa no tekwa ga treatinga kugasi ya levejo so hatu no ureba ngo kandi amiza kuno jangu twinagi ngomjera gwito guru twagurika ukarujuvenating inanka urufunzo rukagarukaho cyara kikagarukaho it is easy amizi gari cheap konka tuyontuzagiye kagera kandi ubwe na runi irukija kushashurwa generation age na ne ya future so shanga ngo tweta development ebizimbe construction site ezinzugumizamo hati byaba nanka byaba negative aha development so guri nanka buri economy ni yejo ne destroying nature
ntubatwa hika stage yo kutabagoza
kutawese
ahikazurunga zungu cy'uwantu runda wakitungo bakiyitaki
hata abantu abinjo muri economy no kutabaguza ati nkaza China 2010 ndio mjenyi wa government ya China nashanga Beijing yone nenuka nkapupu okota kwasa kureba nanka ahiguru abantu Beijing kane nuka sewage pupu manyene pupu abakazi tukirebeza masks kuzwara hati China by 2010 bakamba jwara special abakazi abo kwa kane nuka Beijing so na okota kureba ahigura bukwa yone pollution so China yone developing and soaring kane economy ya China kane growing at 12% double digit growth fastest nanka growth in the of the economy in the world konka destroying nanka environment but pollution bakapolluting the whole place na niyo ya sewage abantu bakatanduka kurwara hari ndwara zikwisha zaretwa ki abo ku destroying environment when you degrade the environment ka pollution ka cancers na n'izindi ndwara nanka nka wazite ha ukushanga umukasheshe aragize ibyo ne create the bad air that you breathe na bad water that you breathe the population irwa hati sentezi waza kuteka mu ndwara ushanga ngutizingana waza kuzibansingana na hariyo kugira ngo niyo mukore motoka no mwiniki eba zero was take on the weighing scale wakora cost benefit analysis eba negative growth. So kwena agarikireyo nkagaruka China 2016 China yacu yarazinga ngo development yayo kyabegitekana nka eba zero bashara mu kwinvestinga mu environmental restoration mu greening the environment babyara imiti niyo nkaza China nashanga China kimko mu ndumwe babyara imiti ragire emigano because imigano ne absorb imwe n'imiti yo na hikuberi ne absorbing a carbon bageta carbon it carbon dioxide ejitwara ikwebahereza ki ebahereza oxygen yitwisi. So China kashara mubimka mwaba China bona basakosa n'abasirikare n'umubyama mukashira mushanga babyire kibira bakitire n'inyumye kibira kitandike nko musandi ekibira kitandika gukora ki umurumo gwacu batandika kunanka combating that negative growth waje ninkekebe. Now so hati ni ejo buri economy umburi economy arimu degradation of the environment arimu consequences and worries arimu then of course reverse of development. But so now the green economy kandi harumuna an even development harimu winners and losers. There are those who may prosper but there are others who become poorer kandi bari abakugigahara kandi bakupayinga for nothing ngendwara mwini ngati nke bad air will be breathed by all kunkanura nomgiga yarwara nguyaza India kura gusa umura gumahageraje bakireba. So there is inequality
embeho kagishisha
ikonkaka
wagita twena twafu
kunkiwaza we wachera we ajachera iwofa. So that's the John Brown economy is an equal, is an fair, it destroys the environment, it doesn't restore nature, it take fire. But now the green economy comes when the green economy recognizes green economy nejeretu eti yone seeking to conserve the environment and nature. Wachireba so ne recognizing environment ine limit kandi ne mangu green economy ne chimanya environment waji destroying abantu nebirumuntu basakufa kandi yigarike gumeho actually abantu ntenda environment ntenda good environment yote kutwenda abuko twari mwa twafa yone regenerating twatutaro. So nanka green economy ne recognizing ngo nature ine limit nujito ikamuhere ejereke ikaba ije kwita deriyo kandi garike jereke regenerating. So nanka green economy ne conserving nature, green economy ne recognizing ngo nature ine limits tekuza kujidegrading kujimaro. Green economy ne gera ngo twena tebe winners ne distributing resources equitably when you take winners and losers ene winners say win-win situation. Every clean air no more nanda clean air no more na no giga nanda clean air no more nanda clean water na no giga nanda clean water no nanda kushomesa mwana we no nanda kushomesa mwana we. So hati you ne believing ngu ishebekwa equitable distribution of what of resources. So when so attitude you want to korum nanko omomwe no kush first of all government ebintu kuza kwa achieving green economy no we achieving at levels nyingi cyo kubanza ebiragiro no biru that government ya Uganda has enacted instruments to see so nenda legal framework nende biragiro nenda policies nenda na institutions mbere nzeteki nende bitonguri ebyo gukora. So no route inenema umugashugwa nema no gukurinda ebyo buhangwa bwa Uganda ineme biretine mane ri effective concrete no kwegizira man urebere cyeko zire za rubiji okwe you need destroy nega ne restoring ebisharebyo nangwana na ekananke kabakari abaye batanka kutimbo msheni yabazibira kandi abakwinga mwibanura bakwiya mwimisiri yabantu mbe batemeka rutusa kwa karutusa ejine itana omuntu gwa katusi ngo ngunyara tigana aruhe mtemirungi etakunywa amezi mingi eje yo bahangwa. So hatu noreba nanga so twinenema kandi government yagaruka nemejo inena ubwo agency inanekera juru nema statute kandi government ikaze gukora ikindi cyarajuru icyo bakwita na climate climate change act abo kwa ne kimanya climate change ruriyo kwinuka kubuhangwa wakireba noreba kwinuka kubuhangwa tukurebera injure kuziri nambwe ntati tukureba ati injure tetanu kwa munana hati izuru mu 10 nyonka byare byo byanjye nebihimba umumu nyine mwe msiri bikafa hati turiyo turi planting abo kwa season zikahinduka bwakara abantu bakaba bacimanya actually bacimanya ubane 15 like the Catholics macimanya nk'ikiro cya Mari naza bwinjura hati ne yanga kwantu abantu difficult kubasa predictinga injuro bweragwe n'umushano bweragwe
muri yabona wakati vargo yara
yakaninjira ko yara so wakireba so in a prolonged drought umushana ugota kumanya ubwarakomye kandi umushana gucwayo hatojo tunga ikihunga ritere ntoke ritere miseri ditente bubaho in fact echanda entezwa wamiziga waho binyasi buwa abantu ba moving ente abantu batana abo ko umuntu nakeranye n'injuro natandika kugisa ngene emiseri yabandi hate kireta ubweme kireta nanka forced migration kireta entaru between abarisa naki n'abahinji so ejo niyo nanka drought intensifanya wari una ferwente 5 myaka 5 yawira rubazo drought ya mani ka furrente nazi yakawitu mubare nazireta kacika zitwe ngo wareba konkana abandi nukwe baferirwe batintenzifa ebihingwa bifa bwa climate change kandi ejo nkunuya mu Africa konkanka Europe na za Americas bomba terwa hurricane no rank hurricane eji yayija yarandinga ebizimbe byo ne bitahanza abantu bita bomba terwa nanka murunu guruka California namwe na za Brazil ngo kibira nanka Amazon iriyo negeraki namwe ne iriyo nese umuru guta twekere guguruka abo kwa hantu nasi nkarga kurgana nka America rest yankandi California no kandi California kunkanaza na Texas ito abatajimanya ubwo baba Texas bajiye nko fili eze street aba cowboy tumshanashi nozi nyonkarga yowe na mpiri akwa kantini nenko fili so hati nanka climate change ebaruye kindi climate change choktewa hurricanes iriyo bakweta global warming glaciers ranga kateka glaciers North Pole na South Pole n'urubari hata bukujana ngo nanka temperature yense yone rising at 2% ordinary kabira 1.5% kwe kurenga wete hati glaciers is melting hati nanka sea level jarati rising agaga mahanga garinka island countries garekere kuba what submerged gakawo waura so mwenu noreba ngo institution tugiraki no tujeyitera so nanka green economy negera ngunga bantu bamukamamo the Kensi Institute actually nangwa nyunga ati mwenu kumurukore hati nanka I think it is second Chronicles chapter 7 13 14 hati ranga natugambira atkundu banageze ikintu gana kingiguru mwabone ijuru nabateze nenziki ubwo no gwikumisha tugwikumini atabantu abakwetera izina ryanje kubariye maho bayitise byo kushisha byabo bantaca bashaba ndabahurura ku rw'umwiguru mbasasire byo kushisha byabo nkize nensi yabo so noreba ngo nanka tubatusi namukama ubutarinde byo bahangwa
sayini kazabiruka tukerera
twabwe ntwetise
inzigizirigira cyana ngugu
wakireba na hurricanes nozuhura so mbwene green economy niyejo so green economy ejo business chimanyisa ngo na businesses zitu za adapting green technologies green technologies no byangu stand kikore ibintu bitakugera ki bitakushisha bahangwa for example kora tanke factory ureke nanka kumurira nanka sewage ukajushuka nkaye omizi hati washuma even neri rwaro ryambara kandi shuka nanka byona bya sewage nkaye omizi nanka karo nanka some of these factories nambwe ni simu mwe mkachuma tukazayo twagamba nako akode kitongere kinkurra cyo twasemya kanki 15 nturwana rwizo nturwana ku restoring kandi nito twafandingire tuka providing a support to government akwa tukoragana n'ikitongere na ministry ya water and environment na nemejo kache konka ministry ya water and environment twinenda gano nabo yo kurinda ibyo buhango mu ihanga ryo but specifically emigera nambwe arunanka ejiba kweta Riverways catchment management plan yo garro Riverways nitwe twagifunding konka ne ya government ito twagifundinga twagifacilitatinga signed by the permanent secretary kurustoringa twine business plan yo garro uki orwizoro orurizi kurugarukaho n'ikigashaki noja kureba abantu batege byenyanja noja kureba amizi go kunywa gije amarungi noja kureba abantu abantu benda amizi gukora irrigation naki nagaisha kubagaro indwara naza kutuba abo kwendwara nyingi nziretwa amizi mabi waterborne diseases bakireba so atushange ngumbara nayo nke city inamizi kakumara factories industries zitu zinamizi go gukoza then za creating jobs abantu bita babe employed so green economy basically negera ngo urye byo bahangwa mbwe urye byo bahangwa ngakora bikwiri konka inemana kugira ngo utakamaraho future generations nabo bije bagireki bajiba bishangiho otherwise ntubasigira ibanja kandi already twarebire restored environment nka nyakambu kwe n'umukono gw'izoro naka ministry na nema n'abantu communities bakarustoring itemoko hahinduka ni environment nebwe njura buri almost no mucyanda yo neba negerake nebwe njura ebyenyanja byije abantu batege ebyenyanja abakaze nanka harvesting amwe ifunjo bakora obutami baruke byibo byabo nobasa no kubatungira ubutari nka brodi dozi nanka ibyabacyara bakora bagigahara baba nanka baba na herete ati nibyo buhango byagerake emisiri yabo ndijo yagerake nayo yabo kwa arwenjura nibaba binne nanka njura kwe kuburanwa abantu baguma batimba bakora toro nanko rwizi like that so basically ni cece kinkugamba so transition ejejo no kugireba facilitating ekiragiro policy na institutional framework institutions tujine ministry ro nemeruho na other institutions international forest authority kugarraho bibirabi no kubirinde bibirabiyanga zero konkazi kazi tine man konka ekindi ni sima president abo kwa president kutwa akabimanya climate change u Rwanda ntari wasinga ziriya konkuru n'urutaro rwa Urundi urunurutaro urwo kurinde byo bahangwa ya signing directive iswinga directive aro directive yo kubinga abantu munanka umnigera kureba ngo ibishara byagarukaho byabe bitara byamizi byabe bitara bibyo kurya future yagera kiyagmo so there is a directive ruhu ya president which has restored sanity and I think museum
so doctor yebare ngo no mu rumago gumuriyo n'umukora kwerekana irinde b'ikibungo kirengwa cyo cy'umuriyo n'umutemba nasoro tukiri mu kutabaguza ndaho kurara by all means bo mwita kwaratunga space era naka nabyama abantu mbarondo mushenyi by force bo mwita nazo munyanja nagwihayo abantu batabaguza kutunga jota at this stage nibakureba ko ejo too smart kufitting um the ambitions yo struggle noza kugishyana cyo kurebera ushangireho nema ebisharana bigenda nicyo rero ushangira amateka konka reason bigenda nicyo kimayisa ngo ebitongore n'amateka bikagezaho kurwana na stage ya development byashanka byarimo tiyo tabuko mu kutabaguza numbasa kushanga soft landing ninga ni struggle
nanka kandi ekinagambe kindi abantu nibenda kwegesewe nijo creating awareness abantu bose kugeta environment awareness na nankate tiyo ndikora icyo yo nukora uriyo nukora contribution ahubwo kuba hateji ngwe nunka shoma peace and security hati this is a war of all against all it is a norutaro rw'abantu abantu bona ahubwo norutaro urtakushorora umusivilian umusirikari umugiga umugabo mworo umwana umukuru n'orutaro orutekwa kusinga bakora
kandi urukurwanisa bona
ururwabona kandi urukurwanisa abona ntabwo icyo umuntu kutekateka ngo nacha kugoba abandi bafewe umwe nabatakimanyire mbwene tujete mbwene zero sum game lose it's a lose situation. So I appeal okugera for example nkweni kwebyo mushenyi twena ntwenda kombeka ninyishiko obu president yakorejo directive omushenyi nanka bakabiya abantu mukunanko mushenyi nanka sino trake kabanegurashi mtwaro 9 eka temba yaza a milioni imwe mtwaro nkaga nanye nkani nyombeka twena tukabona konkankani manyanti yes tubona boneho konka tuyonto saving the survival for all and for all ushenye gwaza higuru konka na alternative actually umushenye guri ari umushenye gundi wareba ogugu umushenye ogugu munyanja tukijya ngo ngugu nko gukora nambwe nati I think na neme etiro nanka guidelines umushenye abantu ntwendo umushenye tutekwa kombeka agency tenetekwa gukora cities za Uganda zitekwa gukora so konka kandi ikindi hariho technology hariho amagezi numanya tugenzere twaguma kintu cyumwe as if there is no tarho any other tano tarho mahande ndijo hatu nanka scarcity nare ibintu bitujema kugera amagezi to think out of the books hata abantu bitu nambwe nyontora ndebo buro omubumba we can't think out of the yibi okuchabejiro mukutandika nati nikwekiri ebiro byona koko za China
asikutumbumba nokugirura
nugubasa kwindro uteke nubasa kuteka ibitoki mirundi kama 50 no manyango aba China umuceri mbaguteke mirundi 50 different rice meals 50 times ahugwa mahuri arosha na vegetable nanka mwi nyonka za China ndi umjenyi wa China kandi umuntu mukuru kandi umuntu mukuru nyene kumvu umjenyi wa China so naza kuri bato aza kuriya ekimeza kiti kandi bakunteko mu China hari kungambira denkani mbuze cyo nenki bullfrog that's a dog snake pass chicken take whatever that level nang so what is the point China netekwa kurisa abantu bayi 1.4 billion so China they have nanki philosophy bakweta full belly it's important no kurisa abantu babo people must eat konkabaza kwika decision nejo abantu bakaba bingi benda kwitwenjara chabaletera ba thinking out of the books so some of these cast and I tell you nyenda kwamiza
abantu Dr. abantu benyi bateka bakikakishenje
mbwini hatu
mwe singi tubafuteka
maybe but I think arho abantu abako enterprising ngo mukuteka bakatunge sente nabo cyo nyenda kugambira abanya Uganda ngo mutakaza kugera ngo ibintu nibindi mukabura muteka bo kwaro abantu nubwo amashanyarazi gataro tujya ngo akaru crisis abashaba bavumbara amashanyarazi aturiya amashanyarazi China ni komshana so in Africa take out of the books are even ebituvumbwire konkaniki they are not cutting edge things so for example nchoje ngamba the innovation science take actually the end there's no end of science so we need to be innovative tokubasa kugira otikandia akakarona kamheru otinkabi no food is there so point ndio ningamba is we have to innovate twanto yangu ekintu kiza kutwita arumbazi
abantu mba praising Rwanda munonga obane tumtuma habintu bitwita bike konka at the end of the day byaba ko kutahwa check so tukatuna no tandike mpi and by the way takamangwe jiniyo sharo kuza kumangwa taho mu Rwanda no rebe miti on the sides of the road mpaka Kigali town Rwanda yiriho iki kitu
as my junior part of the green economy transition
ato yiriho planting Paulo just wakomere anti no kure Kigali kweri burahamuhona konka nibono basako banka researcher kandi ine special interest ni basako yunorenga kinkure namuisho wataho mu Rwanda what is special Rwanda ka handling ikintu cya environment what is it kwa kwari cya special just sagire na China
when one ugambo utabantu mbateka bakachange manya nite change tikiciro mbwene ngate chenje umwintu in existential state eri omu misho gitu hati noreba enjure buzire yagum ijo mu kwikumi abantu bakahinga bafire ya replanting ate chenje no chera kia nanka drought erisire hente ziterisire nanka era pushingira abantu ku migrating nonde chenje kia nanka amiza hagabuzara hoteli ziba zitari mu mizi abantu bagate nankanya bushozi cyuruhura eyo rukurga umunanko umubwirwe cyanda abantu bagura mizi bakanuga katundente so hati change ntwena cye hati Rwanda yo of course sometimes existential threat ni chichwana ugamba ngo nanka nerete nanka triggering innovation hati Rwanda one of the reasons for the genocide in Rwanda environmental scarcity because environmental and natural resource scarcity land Rwanda recognizes it is a small country n'abantu bingi n'itaka rike wachireba n'itaka rike so that's why they maximize their land whatever productivity of their land the Rwanda almost 90% I'm told of their land is titled so they have planned to use their resources very maximally in order to survive. So environment was behind that because Rwanda ikaterwe cyanda before the 1990 noma RPF eta Rwanda already Rwanda keri problems akariyo nanka political position na yetiri government nkai haza bija baterwe cyanda na prices za coffee zafa so beyond when climate change and environmental scarcity was also behind the genocide that war of course RPF came in abyarmano nojuka ko bambuza kwiyabaija this is documented njana was no master see president Museveni documents it akagambira abyarmano deba abantu banyu bari reka batayi abyarmano agera at Rwanda is too full at naturalize bagume yokwe but home is home people had to go home tukasa ujangu ihanga rije kirufu shakana amanyisa ngo baje n'abantu bingi bashagireyo kunkati Rwanda noje bashagireyo hati buri muntu takwenda kuza because baje managing abo kuba bamanyikizo cyabo baje managing aji so ekintu cya nanke cya for example cyo no gambe miti Ethiopia I think bakabyara 5 million or 15 million trees nkumsanding na minister wa state for environment Honorable Beatrice Anywa akayo na kigamba ni plan yo kujya mutubyara imiti 5 million kizoba hati one of the interventions could reversing climate change na climate change mitigation and adaptation is massive tree planting ina aribire China bo bakabyara imigano kandi nkavuga motoka bagaruka twagenda n'inyunyu because no menya China ni impango kunkanuriye baki imigano across China and the impact yo kubyara imigano no chumanya ko nagarikira 2017 buri uko takwasa kureba yiguru nkabitazigana kona had thick hata na nature the skies had cleared ukanureba clear beautiful blue and what sky wachireba why because nanka tree planting yabo including dinjira n'indije miti konkaragire bakananke mugano ni to proposing kubya ku restoring or reason na nemugano akwe mugano any 10,000 uses 10,000 including food wachura it's actually a tree of the future of the present and the future so bakabyare mugano so massive tree planting aha will restore the integrity of environment nisha kutuletere enjura nisha kutuletere nanke mbaho ukumbeka all these things actually no mangu Uganda mti ekajumaraho manyite tutine natural forests anymore atimte most of the nanka timber that you see nirganka Congo wachireba ekako actually no president has banned ukutemimti kuje exporting why kujangwe nanka stocks zikagira ki zikakanya so we need to massively plant trees noni ndiba mwe nkokuranka yunura ezenguto zo nezeriyo nenkora omubidding nachi yone kabiri nejana ngu rija kugira emiti side by side every road so bino na service provider arabia emiti egypt you know beautiful konkade its impact on the environment is wonderful so I think maybe at tugambere policy makers especially Minister of Environment and Natural Resources na Minister of State na bahigo na members of Parliament bitu bari in committees za Environment and Natural Resources. You need to commit money but also be intentional okurestoring the integrity y'ihangeri. Abo kwa Uganda ni beautiful country but konka tugize iki tugirire kubi tugitemo akasente to restoring ebishara to restoring emigera
mutigana
incentivize
kasente akayo
government ego no mu government it in civil society honestly akwanyu tindi government it complimenting a government policy ne no kuranga government policies ezi yakoze za implemented ebiragira byakoze byabaki appeared ni tutamana kamushwara tutera sponsor twabone sente sponsoring aki government programs Concord Limited abo boy sente iteto specialized nanka ku fundraising sente za gurubo the global resources kuzeto ngo konkar ho limitation omurumo gwa mano guno murumo gwa government abo kwa taxpayers citizens can raise money for government to spend on their behalf. So now my advice to government now akwan kwitukora tuti no kugira ngo nanka government kandi twine policies nungi twidebera joro birungi to implementing policies zitu nebera joro byite tubikora tere aza konka again beyond that ebya environment abo kwato no kufa no kucera ntwenda affirmative action ngecho ekintu cyo kubyara imiti kiri very important ekintu cyo kustoring emigera hati wazo nko mu Eastern Uganda abantu ebishara byona bahingira umuceri okingo umuceri ni kirungi konko umuceri ogwe noja kushanga ngende next 5-10 years ebishara bikoma hati no umuceri butakize iki butacuru. So actually konka kunara binaranje taba abantu ya president yaba stopping just like this nebe political nanka burden. So no kuzayo bakabayamba kuleba ngo hingo muceri in a manner that is sustainable, that does not compromise integrity y'ebishara ebyo kwenda ngo bigumeho abo bwejo ni bizabya ne stabilizing egumwanya gwo no gwo mu Eastern Uganda nibahingo muceri kuruga busoga through za parisa teso bagenda kimwe bakomana karamoja no bari bombishara ebo mbahingo ngo gwabananka ogwo gwaba China ogwo mizi konkano riba is it sustainable for how long will they do it ibishara bitakomere bakakubera a burden.
Okay, so twaba turimo tuzakorwa ko umukebishara naki passionate na drive je kurumu obiro witwa kugita mu office tukuza kutabantu mu office korege mirimo turonda political balance turonda no kurwo kuno hito hiruburu wingi nyira yangire no short appointments is turukora nemerho where but nema nizina. There must be some people there with passion. Kato shango muntu ori yahiguriya nema passion etari yawe etari ya Dr. Binomsha. Don't you think mwahabe kuturetere bizu namateka marungi nigenda implementation ahashayo gato munkora nihenda ho drive ejo passion nota hikitongore kanema kino murungi kine funding kiri independent kiri iteka kukigaidika konkani ukizakora appointment there or following as issues that are passion political. Don't you think ungeza appointments zo kutomba tongore inzo zo kutremese kudu cyuko yabantu mbakiguza mukoreba kwenda
no
we having ndakujya kutunga ba Dr. Binomsha mu offices ezo
techo tikabasa kuchiranka kwatindi president hati nanye advice nakubire ni impereza abategeca bitu no kugira ngo arho strategic positions eshemerire kuba kuronda technical people.
Yes,
abantu abari technical bakabambozo baze driving. Then politics custom areas is that risky bakireba. So ikindi nchirungi promoting abantu bashomere abashomere mwene abantu abine expertise okaba take positions zabo ezibinte bashomere nicho supporting jara danka proposal yawo na pito umjenza firi na kana mugisha muntu then I think a 37th parliament erimuna ba honorable El Karuhanga baka proposing president appointing the ministers were appointed outside parliament but appointing MPs hakwa MPs were very very politicized kandi so we minister baappointinga technical people batari elected to be in a baggage ya constituency yokuza kwimuka mukasheshe
Political survival,
baine political survival bina abantu baba boginga down kashwa mu yomuchara nabakwereza ubururu konka wa appointingire ko muntu ari technical ari minister ko wa nanko environment na nebindi bimwe positions zone of authority hatu ugo otarabihira abantu ataine nanka na we commitment no ku implementing policy yanga na necyaragero cyihanga hatubwe nakikora without feel favor konka kwa bari umuntu nico kurebera bishara ebira bya Uganda bufumbwire bwo bururu umbwire bwo bururu abantu batakinge ebira bacupayinga nanka wetlands ushaka bagambaho ngenema yaza kubagambaho MP ajatindijerachi har voters banje umuntu ageraki atina abo kuba voters MP ageraki yabahereza support kandi nawe natinire yatabahagira umbwiro gwe tubaramuterere ibishara bigeraki bubona haburu wabyaraki wabirwana consequences twena tuzibearing so nyenda kwikirizana ni wari yecho echo kikumanyisa politicians nabo tubaritikinga abantu mbazo konka bine binte bakwasa gukora nka members ba parliament bine technical committees of parliament but sticking to that nanka legislation appropriation approval policies so that then president appointing nanka technical people from outside parliament but in a baggage yachi ya constituency so on that one ni nchireba konko sinjuro bururu koko president abaine manifesto so na abaine promises zakozere so sometimes note koko muleka kureki akozise prerogative iye uko appointing abantu abarawugiriki abarakore nabo
so Dr. Arthur
yes sir
muhunamire mukasibu society organizations umuntu bena abaforuminga meeting hawe nyuma tumwakira mu misho munonga mukamukira kuba muri yo mu misho because shooting kani from munonga ba Keija the Keijas and God batumshavezi Dr. Arthur mukamusiri muri yo mu misho munonga na pushing hard harusa ka silence umuside yanyu
no I think
timu wano ikizana nyo harukuna mamukaki tumwakira mu misho munonga
vibrance you are talking about vibrance of civil society
no kanyanyi tiyakirringa ukuna bintu
no anyway ni judgment yawo konke chinkumanya itwenka code tutwire ntugamba especially on areas estwine mu competence tingwe na ngunza bintu ebinta kumanya kandi kuza kubiya hati kawaza nko oil and gas governance
yes
ejon area yakode ni mu competence tutwire ntugamba kwiya wongu tutur activist hati twenka code tukashara mu tutur activist turi think tank ntukora research on the basis of evidence to engaging a government engaging a government think tank ati kuza street kurwana na police kugeraki nejana ntukora appointment organizing a dialogues to organizing a conferences to presenting research findings in government over executive over judiciary over parliament negurana nka ideas zitu ntukora that way nka strategy to arebere ejo strategy neretera wakora achieving much more government yatwara proposals uptake ya policy proposals alternative ideas ezo create government nezitwara umwanya bwo kuza activism yo ebagamba okaza ukajuma minister ukajuma member parliament ukajuma technical person uchizo katena nyendo koleki nawe nagira ikintu gana abo muntu people will refuse ni nyushukaro president Museveni yagira ati nimbasa kubanyene njara konga tukiwasa kunanka tukwasa kumbere byo kuri kabirira ngo ngakubanye nenjara wakireba kana gamba donors of course so there is a limit no arho nanka that no cheta mbwenu ni njete nka integrity so tukwasa kujuma umuntu television ukamujuma radio ukagenda tushitame tukoro tuteze ni research findings
utireba you can adapt this as a
policy na yanga abo ko to human So it's a strategy to take in Nigeria code need to create a constructive engagement as opposed to activism. Because of that, according to hosting 60 civil society organizations as a coron oil and gas, as a coalition and Vegeta Cisco, civil society coalition oil and gas, 60. No man oil yatanda comes at 206. So over time, a lot of mistrust, a lot of secrecy, what excitement, optimism. And so what we did, umwanya gugumana tusakurwana na government, tukasha twaje ubuyo bugamba umwete kubimanya. Oyo tukataka gitegeze. Twashara mu kwipinga ourselves. Twashoma, twasindika abantu zagana, gane katanga oyo. Twasindika abantu zanura, abantu bashoma. Tutakuvugana minister, tutakuvugana PS wa nanka wa minister of energy na minerals. Ashanga umuntu uri equipped. Hati kukugamba ataba abantu binomugasho. So twazana echo to never compromise that kugira ngo tukaza ngo turi in bed na government. No, actually buriya nanka oil companies zitakubasa ku meeting civil society government na isirika njyango civil society bari bribing nanka bashana MPs ni barsabuvasi konka over time abo kugira ngo tuke equipping kandi twatanga presenting issues ezeri nanka ezeri very valuable kandi relationship ya government na civil society na oil companies improved. Kuyarga ku improvinga twatandika kukwasa government ati ntujigambira mazima tutukugira ngo ntubana tujeshengereza ntujigambira mazima kandi nayishanga gwa mazima gariki gari amazima. So we have been able to monitoring, for example at oil exploration, oil development nambo nteze kuri I lead a team of civil society leaders twaza burisa twagenda na Total, twagenda na PAU, Petroleum Nanka Authority of Uganda, twarambura tukora report batwereka progress twira nanka hantu nka settlement of our people. Akwa some people were moved and resettled babombecha namaju hariyo nanka how nanka jinkeji pipeline ezakurabo fragile ecosystem. So we are working with them to make sure that there is compliance to environmental standards, that this exploration and oil development it are destroying the environment, it are destroying the nanka ecosystem, it are poisoning nanka water sources, but above all Hoyman has an oil city. Hoyman is a oil city. Experience on Mahanga against Zines in oil. Bagenda Kaboom and oil cities out, oil yarga quo, you get a ghost what? A ghost city, a decaying a very problem. A join one of the Evogokura Dutch disease in Yeja oil. Never create never see problems than you anticipated. A destroying agriculture. Abantu bazumsenteza oil bewa no kwinga agriculture sector oil chwaho abantu bitwenja. So hatu omurimo gwitu no kureba ngo there is compliance to those standards and that way. So we have regular to meeting on a quarterly basis to meeting a government na oil companies to presenting a report ya compliance nabo behozaho bagira ngo ico twaza kuchiko. I think you are more independent. Nabo tubar hostile to you kind of you get an uptake. So oktatero rwari doesn't mean silence. It is very strategic. But also to be honest, also civil society in Uganda when government kuyachinjire DGF, Democratic Government Facility, we are changing at dona nanka niya basket funding ya most of the civil society organizations is a basic funded 100% skafu na became report. Now government yije yajigura kukapyajigura ya marubiri ucyagirake imyaka 5 yawe you know mari nanka DGF kinendagano ya government ya 5 years ya chinga. So that has weakened civil society capacity. Hata rose more basket funding by few donors kaze mushanju hati nina. So esente ninche. So hati chizo cha civil society echitu inecha mano mwihanga na donor dependency. While it is true that of course government sometimes jarangu you may peddle foreign interests but remember na your government inetunga funding from donors. The same donors abo funding the government nibo funding achi civil society. So civil kandi gani na government twine nanka bureau NGO bureau hati biri department umuriyeji nanka rationalization bureau ebiri incorporated department of internal affairs. So bureau general registering and regulates what
I saw you discuss
civil society.
I didn't discuss rationalization like 6 years ago.
Rationalization itwarire munanka bureau. Think what it would mean to the sector because that is very mukamze discussing kene budget mbangu so at kaza kwa department. Think manya whether nanka civil society tunge space yayo because now which again I need to talk about civil society. Civil society tumuzugwa government tishimeke beri umuzugwa society. Civil society nyonka bo civil society fellow na wa Great Lakes region at the International Peace Institute. Obortaru ba ngendo mu Congo umurumu gwanje New York kago yoko mobilizinga United Nations na nanka na actors from the region kurangura taruru twarumaro. So civil society is part of the governance of the country. Hata mu constitution ya Uganda tuine mu chapter 4 bakweta Bill of Rights. That Bill of Rights providing for the existence of civil society. Umugashuga civil society mu democracy. Tukaza kujara democracy utine civil society. Civil society ni watchdog. Wahura ni providing a checks and balances to those in power. Kurwo ryo government utaryanga civil society kukuritsazinga naro presenting alternative ideas. Civil society ni acting nkendeberwamo nendeberwamo kuko ereba muri sangeta yabiri aside okagitereza. Civil society ni voice niraka y'abantu abatakubasa kwegambara abo abantu nkemuga abakazi abana abakuru elder abo mbambe nda civil society iraka ryabo rigereke erhanguse kuri yo mbakama parliament ministries baruhure nabo government responding eyamba abantu. So the moment wali ba civil society watchatting otuwaji switching off no tandukani ukujunda wabo yo government yo power cyo kujundra no tachini umuntu kuchecking nangwa abanyankwere binefumu ko umuntu kwabona wa muhana kubona wagereke wakwana ni kananka ni again. So ari abantu kushanga batina civil society adam batina civil society ni intrusion yaza kurebe byabusha no wabo corrupt wabo koribita kire no gushango gwawo konkase society mugashubwayo nabwo no kurebeza kwa kubura leader obura leader abakama nabantu abakwiruki obukama. So civil society yani gambaro on behalf of the people nene gambo on behalf of your employers. So tutekwa ku respecting a civil society twabantu twenda ku modernizing yanga kugendo misho. I am telling you numuja ku covering urugendo ruringwa mu development mwaba mu civil society dan mwamutajini niko kugera opposition political position problem. First of all ni constitutional matter to your multi-party system kugera mu democracy to basa kugera democracy eyombekera hamsinje gwa principles za democracy. Wabura wajanga wikiriza multi-party system yo democracy ari hebinte kutekwa kubaho icyo kubanza natekwa kubaho competition. Wabura kusavinga abantu competition ejo nibaho bina competing with each other kusavinga abantu better ba presenting manifesto yabo abantu batoranemo. Democracy rebuilt on choice okwereza abantu choices batorani wakiriba batorani otwine package nunji emyaka 5 nbaye wakiriba civil nanka. So democracy omugasho gwa nanka gwe bina nokugenda ku mobilizing abantu babigura misho kubasa holding abantu abakubategeka those in power to account. So nabwe cyo nanka nekintu kibi ukushanga nkaho abantu twaba tuyaturi nko mu butegeki tukaba hostile to opposition.
Now doctor oyire ibindi byona kunka no lecturing politics Uganda Christian University right aho nona nyenda kusinzira kubuza tinye president wizire kinana mukaga ka product wa revolutionary struggle yabe mazire myaka 5 mu Ruwero Triangle. So abiri na mukaga kukubanza yahamba government 86 so far waza kubaraje ni myaka 28 kandi arigire kushaguze myaka 8 y'obukuru myaka 8 myaka 28 mu butegeki waza kukwata imyaka y'umuntu akwahereza umutegeki n'iri mingi waza kukwata imyaka y'umuntu akwahereza umunsi 8 n'ibiri mingi sitekateka nkweza ntwenda na tarikwenda tushemeye kutanka planning beyond Yoweri Kaguta Museveni geno wa NRA. So now nyina ngo okubiririzo be ku benefit njemu amisho gawo gar kureba beyond President Museveni amisho gawo ngareba gata kuhingura President Museveni iwe kukwambya President Museveni amisho rebaki abo kurebere bingi atandikira umuntu darengo no planning ya generation is not given kurataho no planning ya Uganda iri kugumaho. That is the best word to use. Uganda iri kuza kugumaho. So amuriye yo same breathe umuyogo mu kintu bogomo none yenda kuburuza ngo beyond President why ngurari Yoweri Kaguta Museveni kache what do you say?
Icyo kubanza nyenda ku appreciating President Museveni ubutegeki bwona burwa Rwanda Yesu akatugamba that all authority on earth and in heaven has been given to me and Jesus is God. So Museveni ranga kamuteza and indeed he has stabilized this country. Akwaka president after president, confusion after confusion. So he has stabilized this country. Abantu bachara kunanga kureba ubwire buringwa bananga nja nko mu rugo again. Nimbi subjecting so nyine political lens konkanye na spiritual lens. Ndeba nti oku abantu bemba bo baturinga after batu ikirinda Museveni ureba ngonoranga. So atutegekereje myaka igiyona konka I think there was a reason why God has kept him in power for this time. There's been stability nyeto kimwe mwakora nitwe twakora ibintu. People could be impatient but there was a reason. Most countries kokuza kuzirebe ziri stable now they are taking off. Izabezina kavyo satunga leaders bastegeko bwiri buringo baman by establishing a foundation. I think that's what God has decided through President Museveni to establish a firm foundation for the future. Kandi chini Morocco, I want also to say that I think it is Zaburi Igana name. Psalm 121 where does my help come from? Does it come from the mountain? No, comes from the Lord, the creator of heaven and the earth. So nyongera nanka ico kubanza amisho gitu tushemega teka munonga President Museveni tugateka aryoha aruhanga wa murisiri nawe naje kureta nondisho after him nimanya president has given an indication naza kwesimba 2026 kana naza kusinga echo ni naje kusinga so 2031
atujere cyagambwa Dr. lecturer of political science din yo Paul
naza
imbanda
of course nenanka the one to your multi-party system to your multi-party system people will compete conquer all indications that NRM is still dominant. My only advice to NRM no allowing other political parties to participate, to be free, to grow. Because one of the things always indicate as a strong leader, no kujera success. So my advice would be, it's a strong party. It can lead. Concrete mastara sheme kureke abandi nabo bakoganizinga so that bakamachuaringa. Yes, bacha bahungu basinga yenarimu. Utakatunga nanke very weak party, a weak person akatwara ubukama tukabwirwa kagwe. Wachireba so chiri incumbent yenarimu kuna charinga a royal opposition. A royal opposition is central to stability of a country. Is central, royal to patriotic, chochinko mines. it is loyal to the constitution, it's loyal to the country, and patriotic. That is important. Nanka for NRM tegekere imyaka yona kuna charinga royal opposition kandi nangwe ke subjecting ikaba ready eke preparing nayo psychology yayo kugira ngo bagisinga izo mu opposition preparing ejesingi mwe reba party esingire after 14 years 14 or so twe UK hata reba party esingire conservative party hata naba conservative bariumba reviewing abo nchi batsingire konka babe bagitegekere 14 years so nayo nche nangu na NRM psychologically preparing kugira ngo another royal party erukundi yangari yayo n'abategeki barisolde nabo baranachadi bakwasa kwase kintu ekyo kozo kama kiriva n'ekintu kiriva ki important ba ihanga batariyita ihanga barugumizemo NRM psychological integateke ushanginka onyense yazo mu position akomwe kumkwani ndiye ba challenges especially independence political parties in Africa. Most of the independence political parties zikazaho zine psychology yo kugira ngo tezikara urasa kurwom power how they can easily degenerate into dictatorship.
UPC ANC
na eja CCM ZANU-PF ANC so zinejo nanka konka zenda psychology yazo na zenze manyanga ko bana bara nabuntu basa kandi no kwikiriza internal contradictions nizo basa kwebaganisamo konka zine ideology mu wahurra zabazo so beyond President Museveni njarangu the framework, the institutional framework, the legal framework, policy framework is in place budgetiro for succession. So we don't need kutina because to the constitution yihanga. Constitution has decided who comes to power, how someone loses power. So it's a conflict management mechanism to managing conflict. So into what we preoccupied with is to stick to rule of law and constitutionalism. We need to respect the constitution as a sacred document for this country. And that's where most Africa fails. Respect for constitutionalism and rule of law. We need to stick to the policy framework in place and institutions because strengthening. Africa fails on election management. Nigeria failing on election what? Management. Most of the elections is conducted in Africa, across much of Africa, conducted in fear, characterized by intimidation, bribery, and so forth. So that now it becomes difficult kushanga ngo abasingwa bicereza ki ngo basingwa bona basingwa no cleaning ngo bagiziki ngo babibiri so echo chimanisa ngo twa strengthening and electoral nanka election commission at an independent electoral commission. So I think yoni ngamba Africa yona turiyo strengthening nanka those commissions or independent commissions could banguza organizing a free and fair election to an extent. It may not be fully what concat list ka margin of error kabikarikati kache wakireba kugira ngo umuntu agire ati no wakugirota no wakuzireta ziri bakusinga wakireba so I think nyon ko nakwaza nkwenkukireba antyo and echindo of course it's incumbent on the President Museveni is now a father of the nation. Is a father we Hungary I need responsibility kuchise yitu kureba ngo Hungary yagumare stable peaceful modernizing beyond him.
Okay, reka twumureho kake yari Dr. Twamugambisa Munonga batuturatiamke hariho proposal hariho honorable Mpugasha Believe okutebekanisa first of all bemwe abitwa tapingireyo bagira ngo leader opposition atanike kurondwa arondwe opposition bona awunjya una independence mbamba mutera karuru number 2 nabajya ngo cyabasika nangwa tugarire term limits kongo kuchira Munonga ntwenda kureba real state e opposition erumu oyiriho na proposals kwija terebe the leading opposition party national unity platform shuare kwereye nebyo kwereye royal kwereye yune building a capacity and number 2 indeed kwekwa nebasagarira competinga national stage okugezo kwenda kutwari hange yo mumisho kwa transition nebasaka bapate yijo mukibina ninga transition within the political party y'umuride professor nija kutobe doctor nija kutugabira kutrati yamke that tapping yuko turebe kwa mumisho joga kumwereka in that political space katugarya
Sky TV irakari abantu
sanyu lya kazero tugenda kwevuga ne kazero lino lye sanyu ly'omwaka nyabo sebo banywere kazero wangule ebirabo kebera wansi wakasanikira kyolaba kyowangula muni mu pikipiki egaali enkofiira t-shirts amulera ne sente enkalu emotoka Toyota Pulimo empyatuku just kunywa kazero wetabe musanyu ly'omwaka ngonywa kazero kombucha drink ne kazero dawa tea kebera mukasanikira kyosanga mu kyowangula musange mu maduuka mu ggwanga lyonna just kunywa kazero.
Initiative for Better Health IBH kwatarisa na Ministry by'amagara bakweta empumo marathon umwaka w'2024 n'ekina cyo kurwanisaka ko kasirimu omuri South Western Uganda ibirabi na mushatwe kwanza ku 10 tandikira achaika cheka shemwe zakasheshe tunga kits zo kwirukangiramo ashiringe mitware ebiri zonka okurga Global Office IBH offices okosa Airtel Pay Merchant Code kagana mukaga na 5 na mwenda note ninga hotele note mushanzu note emwe atana mukaga chenda makumyabiri okwiruka ngoku kwagirwe National Media Group Uganda AIDS Commission Westlake Water Global Coaches Crown Beverages Quality Chemical Industries hamana yake to water omujenyi mukuru ni First Lady kandi Minister by'obwegese n'ebyemizano Janet Kataha Museveni.
Bitereko People's Sacco bakuretera ekitereke kya Christmas Rugogoma omwana asingurira ebihembo nyamwingi nkente embuzi za TV za flat screen emfarasi radio enkoko n'ibindi nyamwingi okutaho mukazanaka no kwiguza account okugura emigabo okubika sente account ezindi hamwe no kubika fixed account. Bitereko People's Sacco bakwinira obuherezo burimu za loan za boda boda ez'obushubuzi ez'obuhingi n'obulisa ez'abakazi na account ez'abeterine n'obundi nyamwingi otafe Rauko iguza account omugishogo gutakurabaho drone yo kubaho ibirabe na 3 byo ku 12 omwakogu itaje rikuru riri Bitereko Trading Center ashungine na Bitereko Health Center ya Gashatu bine nitaje muri Tsizi Trading Center omukiyanga ebiri kukiraho tera noti 3 ananemwe kinana nibiri ninga noti mushazi notemwe 17 kinana.
Don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile, don't be a crocodile. It's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's Wonders time, it's now. Baby jelly, hey. Habo jelly, hey. Please don't make us leave my house. Hair shampoo, always beautiful, so beautiful. Life is beautiful with wonders everywhere.
Don't be a croco. Say no to imperfections and hello to a new world of wonders. Wonders, always wonderful.
Kati banjura ba Allen Interiors and Designing Hardware abantu bakafuru ba interior designing omuru burengero rw'izoba orino yombeka ninga no gundiza makagawe hoteli amashomero ninga business yawe tutayayiro yotungira amatara ga chandelier agarikawa okashangura buraya sink zo murembe tiles za burishika wallpapers za toilet sheets dressing tables na millers shower mixers jacuzzi zo murembe za curtain water heaters tap mixers door locks carpets n'ebindi bingi kandi nibaguza kamwe hamwe na nokushubura nibashanga mu Rimbarara City akikinya Bongo Street hina gate ya Baspaka aho uziri kutahiramu esumu notu mushanju 2 2 9 9
ruhango w'embabasi
abantu mwena agambire mwagamanyire humura manya Apostle Dennis Juda orukabemera uhereza wa Apocalypse Ministries International na eta abantu mwena omukujaguza emyaka 5 eyo uhereza wasya eyibesere 5th anniversary ebiro bitano byo kwezi kwikumi 2024 a Ajipu Motel omurembo mbarara mbwena abantu mwena mwayetwa ahizoberyo mwije tsime mukama tujaguze ahizoberyo mbwena mureta barwire empumi abashobirwe abagumirwe abatine mani ahasigara umukono gwa mukama gubakomorore ijike mukono na ijafutandika shamu kagazi hangwe kandi kutahamu no kwabusha mureke tuweshangeyo
ruhango w'embabasi
Yagurra Zuku TV decoder na satellite dish erizoba aha kabeyi kace emitwaro 89 zonka kandi Zuku decoder aha mitwaro 8 zonka rero shemererwe obwo rwerebera channels nungi nka series ezabana music amahure agaloko hamwe na gaheru yihanga nezindi nyingi yerebere Zuku smart aha mitwaro 12 zonka Zuku smart plus aha mitwaro 16 Zuku classic aha mitwaro 25 Zuku Premium amtware 35 yagite aha Zuku erizoba buzima oshemererwe
Sky TV irakari abantu
interesting conversation behind the scenes abanisha tuzonga za mshayitu ya katano twatu mshayitu ya muhiru nyine doctor bato so kimutakumanya abari baskai n'abakundo uko biri n'uwishemu n'umurokore mbinu natayisa politician natayisa an economist natayisa an exposed gentleman a level ya Dr. Batorso umshani murokore mbinu tugaruka kunyima turuko katsi cyamukatsi zo mbyanyu kwenda kurra so Dr. nanye nangu atutware tutere touch umu position age kandi njyango nyenda kuba amaziba munonga kucyara ibindi biro nani imposing of education so Dr. nanyakira kinaheza ni kuratere ibintu ebi nkareba position narebaho FDC nareba Dr. Kizabesige n'abantu abiyabase kwa attractinga kumushikahiye nareba leaders abayimagine mbwirewe negishaha wabareboka bahurikiza noreba Dr. Kizabesige akaba yattractingire bantiki nangwa nabingi government finally keje yabo buzobinga atanga gukora nabo stages ziri serious ikintu kingambira ngo bwiro bono shoti Dr. Kizabesige akaba yine message yabene basa kwa attractinga omuke umuhango ushomere munonga utashomere ukono sirota yine message cross cutting mwene waba atashomere ningo abatari umuhango ntubasobutamufa but at least abitukure namo ishon tubamanye hatu in opposition iriho today ya honorable Robert Kyagulanyi na iriho national unity platform na yina bayo nonsira ngo mutindo gorobaje urukwabura government birazo ngo rwakanisa orukwabura government nonsiro tumutindo gushuma shumere ho mukake I don't know timanyi uko kureba urubaje urukwabura government ukuru
winece
nonsira ngo
no manyambagera ngo abantu nibatunga leaders abakudeservinga bate nchunani kugambirra nchunani kugambirra
ngurahangano mushabe cyo kwenda kwecyo rukwetinga
koka point iri court ya democracy naba ninshoma nanka I was looking at the analysis ya democracy in Africa generally ichani tukurebwa kubimunonga konka hari mu decline ya democracy decline nijo ntugirebo mbintu byinji one nitureba nka korte ya nanka ya opposition across Africa activist n'abana bato kandi ba revolutionary mbere mbenda relationship ya opposition across much of Africa is hostile towards the ruling parties. Binechenega. Kandi nayo government zone is ruling nazo responding ngaziri. So at population nidirachi etina ateta mwa democracy. So my advice one opposition itikumanyisa ngu obe revolutionary obe hostile obe ogerekiniga then ubone ko attracting a support konkana na government nayo tukwenda ngo responding wali wanka support ye kwenda kugenda kandi cracking it down on the what on their space ncho nangamba nti especially independence parties zina man zine responsibility yo kunacharinga opposition kugira ngo kuchaka baho baga opposition ikasinga etarturu muru wachenga konkato kunkujireba opposition relationship ya government the ruling government the ruling parties and opposition being hostility towards each other and it's scary
omwena jatu note ko kurgaho ndura jatinte ko guma
atinyenda baterete ninga each other omwanya bwo kugera ngo nyine ko presenting alternative programs population na citizens kazugura esikongera yo development of mission struggle competition ya opposition na nanka na ruling parties na ruling governments teshemerere ko bari yo kwitana eshemerere ko bari yo kusabinga abantu better tuza ku service delivery ya nungi ibintu by'imishoro tugizinge to creating jobs for the young people to inabantu abana bingi b'imyeto tubine mirumo bari hopeless benda ati struggle kabiri yo kusabinga citizens better so now kunkureba mu Africa yon this relationship tinungi kandi etwirete ntabwo cyo ncyenda ku improving a relationship ya ki kandi relationship ejo yarga ku improving quality ya opposition uja kureba yagera ki ya improving hari yanga rumwe abo kugira ngo nabo bakabine hostility batyo abantu bakanga ruling party batera nunku actually I think it noko muri Latin America batera umuntu akabari naona nka DJ akari DJ konkanye mwaka uji abantu bagera ikintu bamuterera badikinga ruling party haza unaka DJ konkanye mwaka uji after 3 months abantu rwo baruyazinga mushika twaterira ikifira bato bamwimpicinga wabura ahubwo ikintu numanye ngo abantu baba hopeless batanka kutera na leaders batashikiri ushanga mwini leaders bari extremely weak so
DJ akaina kahuje one time akabari on addressing yanga yumuka yazina na abantu bagira ngo yareba ngo yashwaza ki ubwa president manye ubwa president it's a fountain of honor not of respecting so nanka it's important in ruling parties only creating environment abantu talented leaders be emerging kugira ngo ihanga babasikuru twarumisho so most of them hostility competition and violent nibenda kukwambana and you know violent change of government is a very bad thing. It is establishing a culture of violence. Can't violence negate violence producing hata muzomu trap ya violence. So ejo kintu nico kureba ngo Africa twachikoraho tikigumire munonga nicyo nani ngamba opposition mu presenting alternative nanka agenda you create better na naba bano better competition yanyu no kwenda kushemeza bari amukuzenera nabaye na citizens abo ko power democracy resides in the citizens not in the leaders. They delegate authority to you kubategeka for 5 years, in our case American 4 years, then we waho mugaruka yo kusakushabaki renew now which power belongs to the people. So there is a weakness on Africa na naha ninjireba wachireba and this weakness ndi kureba nikiwano ugamba civil society shrinking space. At my prayer no kugira ngo nankanka ejeje department yako regulating civil society ya zo ministry egume open in a desire na an objective yo kunacharinga civil society kwa civil society na iwe young
eriyanga inexperienced poorly funded ntinyuru kuko baboro nubaza no kwakira sente mbi the hostile to their country hawo kunya poison so nchenda nanka government creating an enabling environment ekwara winga civil society yamachwainga yabase kujiyamba okukora alternative nanka kugenerating alternative proposals ekazita table for government to choose from. One of the things they've been proposing at the budget conference munyonyo nkatunga chance yo kugamba on behalf of civil society omuyanga nakora presentation position paper presenting alternative ideas to the Minister of Finance, of course to the President. My President and the Minister of Finance so ni to civil society tukakora position paper but presenting vagine nkajawahereza one of the proposals ezinatireho ezitwakozire and the Minister of Finance n'abantu karuna Prime Minister bakagikereza kabani proposing anti Uganda government is setting up an independent civil society fund. It funded by Ugandan taxpayers' money. Konkibe established by the Act of Parliament. Kujarangu government, that the ruling party, takazdu controlling. Akwa batu ba controlling sente babasa kose sente kumazoringa chi. Civil society. Kora gambe bunonga ba kuya oxygen. Hatu konka ate ukureba. Ezi sente zitukosa. Ezitukutunga ngutwaza nazone agamahanga gakuzutereza ngo na America ni mushuru y'abantu bachi ba America abungereza abantu bakireba so konkano bazitweza tuzikosa kandi na government isikosa so ate ngweno wano ndasibo sate ate yongere kwa patriotic kandi royo hatu wateke hojo fund ekaba competitive ekabarwaningwa professionals nubahereza sibo akwe mugashogwa sibo sate ko ya at government negende sindike sente zamizi za education zamarwaro zenguto esinkankaru ko government hato shaningwa ati nchenda nanka sibo sate independent ezikora tiri sente zo zirebe ngusabinga abantu bite embaze rumu ama nanka karasuru muzombe kirwe enguto zombe kirwe amizen marunji gahina abantu hati ushanga go civil politicians na technocrats tubakufai kandi of course hari corruption nkaru ku government twine corruption omuyango corruption munsiyoneru konka note kwa kugicekinga abakwasa kugicekinga hati ninka civil society wakireba bakura teresente kureba nguza ko umuntu government yasindikira so kati konka mwina tubakose sente za taxpayers kureba ngo sente za taxpayers bajaje zaba saved and minister kachugbaying actually a campaign responsibility kugira ngo tugende to developing a concept note to sharing na how we can set up such a fund nimangwa abantu binjo mu civil society tubakuchenda bajara government is going to control sector it cannot because we want to grow in akachi in sector in democracy so doko na baja establishing with the nanka by the act of parliament umuntu wa government yaza kujangwa ajikose kunaka kumazoringa no mutwaro mukoti nje tutantugamba constitutionalism and rule of what of law mutwaro mukoti
konkanti tukora opposition ya extreme left to right ne shashurwa opposition government ne shashura mishara opposition MPs
tukutunga sente tiza taxpayers wachenga kashapchari tokuma na parties zine arunanka loiba political parties and organizations financing act
numerical strength
based on numerical strength so think reba in civil society government etakwasa kuteka fundejo okashanga civil kandi yari ka civil society yajikosa independently kucheckinga chi emirimo ya government ikajiyamba ekimproving service delivery na citizens bakaba satisfied bakakwerecting again you get the point so what am I saying so civil society so government tikwena ngo government investing mkuwekeninga civil society I have seen when civil society finally becomes yaba weaker ukashanga ngo government officials jubilating they will jubilate very short time abo kwa sooner or later inefficiency corruption decay sets in so aba bantu they keep you alive ekindi kina ningambere cha mbwe ntatukokuzo mu history kwitaka opposition nacho ni kintu kiri dangerous kujima ke sente mugabo kabarugo beta bamugwero muri abo abashanguka tikirunje barojoretinge bagire nanka nabo bagire confidence bakore bikiri hati mu history ya yihangeri I teach nanka I've taught the political history of this country, constitutionalism and political history of this country, political economy. Hati 1964, government ya UPC, ekabribinga, umshiji wabe leader opposition, baze vataringa ya kawo mshawadipi. Ya kurusinga ya agenda na MPs ba DP. DP hata boro opposition nkai. Parliament bamuru yadinga n'ikiri mu chamani minister wa interior no internal affairs at by 1969 baga kababara binga ba CP conservative party na yiwe yakwa crossing hati UPC yabayunka mu parliament kwe kuyabire yonka naturally abantu bakunda opposition UPC yaba split into two enkombane mfunguru science and syndicate kandi opposition eji where the party splits nebiri mbi munonga abo kwani baba bari ninkaravu yabasawe umukazi no mushije nibitana
insiders view
big insiders hata abantu batanka ku struggling within the party Blue Boys bobote chana by 71 amahita gajamba kozi yangarika zo paralysis abo kurakinga ku opposition sikukubo in opposition creating existential threat oje twabatakozera
itahamatsuko hariya otakwikiriza ko nkagira amatsuko hariya
mbachitwaraho mukora mubana united mukosamani population eba satisfied egalike bagarro kwa kuba mutino position mu relaxing mukore mistakes base kwa attracting kama igaba so my brother so civic space across much of Africa is shrinking. Civic space is shrinking. Ejon problem. Akwabare civil society yagumani wamani kichwa nugamba. Ya wamani nabatachuru checks and balances nabatachuru tochi. Ngo mwirima. So we need to keep that the civil society vibrant and open. So that is shrinking across Africa. We need to make sure that to remains vibrant.
So bibu netujya mutakimanyira by'umuguru turebera kufumunsi nda kutamana kufumunsi bitwanyise by'umuguru opposition kwerere alternative ningashi government in waiting omu Uganda yini itwine
opposition
we have government in waiting
hati nyonanga opposition otakajerebera n'ukuyonga opposition ero kandi twine nanga
neither do I want to see
kandi DP kero kugera ngo bari mu mukago UPC kero kero mu mukago
UPC
nanka FDC karo gatonga karo nangeji na janankumbi ero manya position nena phenomenon they will always be there but it's very weak. What is for sure is that opposition is still weak and not very organized.
The FDC kabita
kandi kanomanya nanka how it has become factionalized.
Ebinkumanya ndushuwa umutuma gwanye unomanya bingi kunjeza
ngabanga now ebizu bya FDC be part of the political position in this country nature kwenanka kwebaganisa mandala ekine challenges nyingi opposition. That's why funding ya political parties, which is now a law, is very, very important. Kuyokujangu funding based on numerical strength. There has been a study called democracy may not become consolidated in very poor countries. Of course, the experience, example ya Malawi succeeding in Zambia, have defied that analysis. Konkawe obora oburi. Oboro no define gachi democracy. So at the position, one of the challenges the opposition need are moboro. Fact in your proposal in Abiri, Kozira, the late Kakura Kacho, I think we had engaged Kakuru and we are taking government to court kugira ngo increasing the level of financing ya opposition beyond the representation numerical strength at least by funding parties is legally registered is the impango you could be criteria at least by financing and secretariat at least by the office and some lean staff when national at national level so that babuganike nabo bagumiho waliba babashashuri obsente zizeho then bagumiho batafa then babase kora nabo mobilization ba mobilizing grassroots ba building their support konka kushanga bo rukiri ize ubworo bwabo bw'amani umuntu bamwita umuntu na crossing arebe chaju na crossing ahabuboro atanavuka school fees health all those so poverty is undermining our democracy so it's one of the challenges in Korea so no reba abantu bingi bakakurosinga they have been rewarded tukwe including your own aborkumanya now so kind of they have been rewarded at a threat to opposition and democracy a challenge hostility jaitu antugamba their approach to politics eja nanke ya hostility violence and what undermines them konkechinde chikutwita munonga narakuva ideology most of these parties tizine ideological grounding ideological grounding no fero neveru kuzi konga no jango umuntu yazaro ari optimistic ari kurunda sente konka parties keze zakari cyo kurebera umuntu w'ubyanguka UPC ke strong ishagama wawe abantu bakugenda bajwire nabashaba konka bakurwa na rapate yabo bakugikunda ekebiri kafe ka religion konkati umuntu taro commitment to the any party abo kwat hari most of them tizine foundation tizine ideology so any wind never huha so ideological grounding is still a problem. Can they change between a foreign interference? Foreign interference. Chokurebera umuntu atine kwari all of a sudden yabe chindi. Arungarunjirwe ki abaheru abine interests ezindi. Kat Africa eriyumubuzu amani. Africa is the only place on earth where 40% of the arable land yokwasa kwinga agriculture. A green revolution can only take place in Africa. 40% of Africa land is agriculturally productive. While the rest of the world are Africa. Africa is so rich with strategic minerals. Rare earth, za coltan, uranium, diamond, gold, ebyona Africa ziriki ebyini. Gold, because of that, the rest of the world, the developed world that has now stagnated, in order to keep themselves growing, Mareva Africa. So, to are careful, nubasa kukwata abantu babi imposing tejeke Africa, then babakosi to access our what? Our resources. So shangangu nanka pinye challenge yokubasa eje external. So bantu bakutemwe sente bakumarketing bagiriki ushange grounding etari yonke abategeki bitabira basa kurya gushaka jaki aine kozi yakorwana so tukinejo challenge cyo kurebera amahiga hambiro ku West Africa Niger Mali Burkina Faso kose amahiga kandi gabinga abafaransa hariyo wevu tujireba nka threat to democracy konka perhaps it's going to consolidate democracy a homegrown organic ahubwo amahingo gabega kwasa kuba bold enough tubakutina kwasa kugambara nanka France get out tukujana ngo bayumba ronde sente mbene buri umugate naki konka ngo basa kubinga France agamange kagana ekagahindura ka hunting ground keep them useless Paris watching so that foreign interference is also a threat to our opposition,
political
opposition in Africa.
So now, eshaha nazirakira mukana naza kugira ngo umwe twamcyoka cyahera ikituru kuzakora tuyija kushaba Dr. Teya kiro twija kuzo mu Africa muterebe conflict zero muri za stabilizing. So now my question now is twine solution yona now abo kuba nusuroti warunga opposition washoti yaba opposition ishikire nebanenda nibere namatsiko gabantu twine amatsiko gubona ngo tuyija kutunga opposition soba umukire kake na yihindi cyamatsiko wo kugira ngo at least after this man twine amishi tugata. Is there anything that can be done now?
Jordan ngambira nti enaremu ene responsibility mpango echo kubanza ka stabilizing yangeri yari ni vacancy in the 10-point program at a 15-point program yangeri kandi kichiriza ngo Uganda be a multi-party system in 2021 in 205 Uganda nzi batiruru bajamwe benda multi-party system. So we must respect the will of the people. So because of that, arokushanga ngumwenu umwana mukuru aine responsibility kurebera bato mubarabe batakuha respect. Wahura affirmative action. So nyoni njangu for abo kubekini for too long Africa ni laughing stock eba baby etakura iwachi senseless killings, too much corruption, laziness, nothing. Hopeless Africa. In 2000, The Economist magazine ka publishing an article, a lead story, Hopeless Africa. New characterization in Africa. In 2013, kuyajiri kuyibare economies Africa that time speaking by publishing another magazine, The Economist magazine. Africa is rising. So there is hope. Africa will rise. But you see, development, Africa, emancipation in Africa has to come from within. Echikumanisa, leaders, nkaenaremu n'abandi b'inekintu must commit ekibakwita class suicide. Class suicide. Now the class suicide, nukweyaka, okerumya, for the sake of others, not the sake of the country and the continent, to irin bashikera. Taroche runge chikurwa mu Africa. Nyonka shomera hiyo, nka shomera Bungereza, masters and PhD, nkakora America. Konko bwire bona kantumba ni ndeba what is their secret. Racism kajireba. As a nyonka ndi confident person because Museveni akari power, Kagame ari power, Mbecha ari power, Zenawi Ethiopia ari power. As when we NCO Jarango Africa is rising, the African Renaissance. Ababona Ababana Albright, Secretary of State for the US, aka describe Gaba Shija Babana Gamba as a new breed of leaders for Africa. So Africa to relevant in the future. And because of that, you can't confident. Africa is conquered. Itabashumiro koko bakakutera amahuri. Bakatushukamizi. Ukaza kunyana bucayi bakakutsigaho ukajya utubatize ko ngo uri umwirabuje tukagera that consciousness twamenya mucimiga ko mu mahanga gitu tukadeveloping Africa. So a chance ya African ejo mu mikono yitu tarukuza kurugahera katudeveloping ihanga akadeveloping Africa karera kushikira wensi yona abandi bahiro kandi n'ikindi ruhanga ariyo na moving west na moving opportunity to Africa. Nchukura 40% of the Arab land is in Africa. Africa is the youngest continent. 74% of the population n'abantu bato. Hati washomesabo bana ukabaskiringa ukabaha hope baka producers of wealth, consumers of wealth. Tokura ngo ni population ikubasa producing ka consuminga internal marketing ya China to 1.4 billion people. Africa ka taking over leadership and say. So twaba tuza kwachivinga icyo kintu urugendo rwe twayenda nturutambura 2 weeks nari nturutambura 40 years nkeza abana b'Israeli wilderness. A journey of 2 weeks took them 40 years. So for us to cross in those 2 weeks, leadership, na cross Africa. Kada bazung African Union batense bajiring crossing nanka Jordan now to a promised land. Konko kusa crossing ari interview kutekwa kukora. Ni nani ngamba ka class society. You must deal away with capturing rampant corruption. It kills possibilities. It disengages people. It discourages people of hard work. So corruption may not be eradicated, but can be reduced to a level that it doesn't actually discourage investment, discourage production, cause people hopelessness. You lose your most educated. It doesn't make sense. So, point end yo ningamba committing class society no kugira ngo abategeki bitu no kushanga ngo wa investing mu position o investing mu position mukagenda mwagenda konkano mwamu nabantu bari nanka nabo bakuri. Of course it also taxing but let them have the basic minimum kugira ngo babasa kurunanka kutwara pawo
batine cyaka cyo
batine bwinazi batakwangiranga yapo. You get the point. Okay. So that is the class suicide. It must be done. Ekindi necho committinga planning tuchara kukora ibintu bitari planned mu Africa tukebembeza nkafa esente ahead of money. So tukore bi nkanwa yaja akore jasanga so kejeje nanka the national development nanka national planning authority hati yangeri it is declared the planning area konka tukora plans tukagera ngo in the next 50 years twenda tubituria the next 100 years tubituria kandi tukazistikinga will achieve that. So planning yonka inzeri tujebembeze tukore ibintu planning tushomesa abantu bitu creating awareness rero rebe usage niyo ku investinga mu seriously uranga twira abana mwana uri umurokore bagera ngo children I gift from God. How have we treated this gift? Kureba ngo twine bourgeoisie nanka young people tukabinvestinga tukabahereza quality education tukabaresearch namwe nkani nkunda government aroye negamba program y'amate bisabana amate abana bakakura bari herese children and intelligent children tukamanya ngo the greatest resource for any country that kanchi gamba abantu bachimwe. The greatest resource for any country is not how much oil you have in the ground, is not how much diamonds you have in the ground, is not how much urea you have or uranium. It is your people, it's the citizens. N'abantu. So invest in your people. With the people educated, they can turn around anything.
Tira tsikitana nyina tuza problem identification tuine with analysis on that. Kongera mumbera cyo
konka wazira izina tena akora recommendations youth invest in your youth. Yes. Invest in the opposition jireke na ejena charingo gitemuna cash wabura deal with corruption, reduce it. Reduce corruption to a level that itaka kubandika kosi danke point yo no gambia wano gambia Congo
kongera mumbera cyo kwanki ndebikira ndebikira investing ro bwire bwinji munongo mu mahangaga
no Congo again hatu wano gambia invest in regional peace and security hati we are not an island. The failed states around us, failed states ezo kuriba South Sudan, Congo, Somalia na Burundi teine sente okushanga Burundi teine na dollars. There is no way kandi abantu bakimanye uko kubasa Uganda gukora progress y'amane na Rwanda na Tanzania mwabo in the failed states around you is pulling down. So it is incumbent through regional integration East African community to work quickly and resolve those conflicts, stabilize those countries, rebuild those countries, so that start putting down our development. It is in an ecosystem that you will not succeed alone. They will injure you. It's a fire on your doorsteps. Nenjwe rukusya yari bajugenje yawe nejosye. Nabwe cyo kureba ngo ejo umuro yarara is good for us for our sustainability.
Ngira ngo ikibuze cya Kenya
tunacheza
I'm coming to you. Ngira ko ikibuze question ya Kenya bit answered now that ngo umukuru mu mutsindikire kuri yo mu mwenda ku mutsindi ko mu East African Community African Union so question ya Kenya very constant rote funde answer final
na ngwe bya Kenya Raila Odinga tsikwe nangwa holding yanga to ransom konka at isweri okumsindi ko African Union aza kukora yuki
azurunga zungu
yarga. Do you have
yanyi doctor na wangu yarga
as a conflict specialist atejon budget leadist approach no kushanga mizigari ungatabura atutire ikifundikizo nkugataka jareke gatatka kunkagari ungajareke
ngatabura
izoba rimwe kirargaho nabwo gagere kigeshwe. So the best thing atom conflict resolution as opposed to conflict management. Conflict resolution seeks to deal with the root causes, to uproot that cause, so address the root causes okure yochimu. So hati
no kubagara
okushweka nanka okiyotuzi hati. So at the Kenya, it's a realist approach. No kujananga. So, but
you have left a headless problem.
It is there,
but you have not solved the problem. Just take what
So now, so Kenya, they need to do complete the Nanka analysis, diagnosis. Now the conflict term is conflict analysis and deal with the problem. Very, very square. It's a governance failure. They need to deal with governance failure. They need to bring people into equation. What you see is political exclusion as opposed to political inclusion.
Basing on a tribal...
Participation, there's tribalism, there's exclusion, there is political patronage, there is political corruption. So hatebe viona nanka and layers. Kandi na ugo mshija atuiramya handshake. He has really outsmarted these people. Akatunga handshake ubana kukachibaki bamukuriete njoro wa prime minister butaru no constitution yaba prime minister. Ubana ko bwa Uhuru ya kuri hangana governor bamuherezo bwaci bakora handshake. Bakamwachi. Nushoba mwete hatena naha bamnanka time Kenya na governor. Now tukujera ngo nanka ngo ico ni kintu kirungi. For me maybe he needs to be engaged. Do you love this country? Do you love Africa? Anyway, President Ariona, I think Makwere Naza kusinga by the Konka, supposing he wins, what is the agenda that he has for Africa? Does he have the crowd?
We are fixing a local problem.
And actually internationalizing a local to taking so actually they may make I teach regional integration. One of my subjects is I teach regional integration and its benefits. Regional integration is an answer for Africa, a continent that was divided and swallowed by Western European powers. Small states to fit their own interests. Now regional integration brings us together to become viable, economically, politically, and socially, and be able then to become this region is what we call REX. Regional economic communities, East African community, West Africa, ECOWAS, SADC, Kanachi, become building blocks for African Union, leading to the United States of Africa, because that's the idea that we are looking at. So we need to look at really the AU, getting to Chamani that can unify this continent, can deal with issues of poverty, can speak a voice for us in the United Nations and negotiate for us a big share in trade and all this. But kwaraze kujihindura te sorovinga nkebizo bya Kenya ngo atwara Raila Odinga ngo atobya government yaragwe I think we need to look at the bigger picture.
The spirit we are taking there. Naye haraka ro kutwara Dr. Wairumugisha mu international stretching beyond the borders because that ibangu takoza kutaka ireke byaka na nyenda munonga utumuto byaha but ni imbaraga nsango next time ntwija kugamba ninjya akadabaraza ho kakimwe amhura twija kumwambutsa tsumur Kenya tsumur Congo tsumur yesu conflicts twetorere tureba agenda yo ku uniting Africa kwerija kubaska yusurumbi twebwe yazi akasolvinga problem ya South Sudan. He was part of building obusinge nabo icyo he has tried a lot. Dr. yebari mnonga kubasa kubanitu twashimira kubaniwe kandi program ejimba gito kubira ntwaturi ampabo rwakana kurgasha ina mpaka sha mukaga Dr. bari umutwaje ngukare koga ko hari abari yo again tuje kwantu to engaging one on one tugakitse mu region atwatere region ya gitero mu garutse gihe tigize tumanye itutwaturi mu Uganda ebinde bikutwata ho nibiha ebitari within our borders morale no businge mukama barinde. Good night.
Sky TV, Irakaria.